Hi everybody, it's Jeff Fitzpatrick with a very late video this week, but there's some really interesting stuff in it, so give it a quick watch. It's only a few minutes long. I'm going to talk about registering on the website, performance, and the live event. And the live event is looking fantastic. Website registration. So although a lot of you have registered, a lot haven't. So please go across to smartinvestments.ai, and on the homepage, you'll see this little registration form. Enter your name and email address and get access. Press the green button. You'll then get an email which will ask you to set a password. Once you've done that, I'll get notified and I can upgrade you then to give you access to all areas of the website. On the website, you'll see training, access to the meeting records, which are of course the video recordings, my weekly videos, and a whole lot more. So please go over and register at smartinvestments.ai. Performance. So once we get going with our clubs, we do get up to speed very quickly, as these figures will show. So the first club that started was Tees. It's been running 17 months and it's averaged at 8% per month over that time. Now, you've got to take into account that Tees is limited to 20 members. They only put £100 a month each in, and it therefore didn't have access to put trading. You've got to have $25,000 value in your account before you can trade puts. So it took them about 9 months to get to that point. So for half of their life, they haven't been able to trade puts, but they've still got to 8% per month. So that's fantastic. Diamond is a lot newer at 6 months, and it's also running at 8%. It's a much bigger club, and we've got to find a lot more trades to keep it fed, if you like. So I'm perfectly happy with 8% there. Also note that that 8% is after that we took out our share of the profits after the first quarter. And Fortune, our current baby. So Fortune's been running for 4 full months, and it's got 7% as a run rate. So that will build up. It will get to at least the 8%. And it's got a lot of money in the drag. So that's $74,890, which is a high proportion. That will come through to profit. I call the drag our profit reservoir. So as puts expire over the coming months, that money will transfer through to the net value of the club. So the prospects for Fortune are brilliant. I'm going to be emailing you today with the links to the website and also to the registration form for the live event. And I will include this table in that email, so you've got time to look at it more closely. And so to the live event. Our trading techniques are lucrative and safe. The only way that we can actually lose money is to make a mistake, such as pressing the wrong button. For example, selling when we intend to buy. The worst case is that it might take us 3 to 6 months, longer than we originally expect, to get into profit. Now that is one heck of a statement. I've made the only word in capitals, but I am now 100% persuaded that the only way we can lose money is by pressing the wrong buttons by mistake. Not pressing the wrong buttons because we've made a judgment that's wrong, but physically making a mistake. So the live event is going to inform everybody of how exactly we do this. So come and meet us on the 24th and 25th of September. We're going to be at the Hilton Hotel at East Midlands Airport. We start on the Friday afternoon, be about 1 o'clock, and we'll take a walk through the trading account statement, the dashboard, and value line reports. We will be looking at how an account, this one is Diamond, can have $440,000, almost $700 in it in cash, a net liquid value of $445,000 and almost $600, 51 trades in progress with a potential profit of $278,000. So things like the panel to the left, which is from the trading platform, some of those things need explaining: stock buying power, option buying power, maintenance margin, and so on. So all of these things will be explained in full, as will the statements and the dashboards, so that you understand exactly what's going on. On the Friday evening, we'll be having dinner and a few drinks. This will be a great opportunity to meet us, Owen, Anna, and myself, and fellow members, and to get your questions answered on a one-to-one basis. And then on the Saturday, with our money machine, we're going to look at put trading. That's where most of our profits come from. All of our secrets will be laid bare, exactly how we can avoid any and all losses, fully explained, no holes barred. These techniques are gold dust, not just potentially gold dust, but absolutely gold dust. And you shouldn't miss this unless you really can't be there. I'm afraid it's not a free event, but it is fantastic value. See your email for more details. And also, we have a tab on the smartinvestments.ai website, which is dedicated and it's got a booking form there. So remember that it's the 24th and 25th of September. We expect to finish at about 4 o'clock on the Saturday, so people can get home to enjoy half of the weekend at least with their friends and family. And it's at the Hilton Hotel, East Midlands Airport. And as they say in the cartoons, that's all, folks. So I'll be with you again early next week. We've also got the meetings next week for Fortune, Tees and Diamond. I'll put a reminder again of the dates in your email. And all three of these have got headroom to do some trades. So there should be some good meetings next week, especially since I've now got my internet upgraded and we should be able to get some speed going. So have a fantastic weekend. See you next week.